Come on, don't make me about. Don't make me about. Sorry if you can't always see. It's a bit awkward for me. Get in there. Oh dear. That's better. Right. Now I've got to put the other screws in. I know it should probably be easier actually if it was on its side, right way up. Just let me bring it up. Right. Okay. Okay. Right. These cables always get damaged. The outer spring part of it always get damaged. And it's exactly what's happened to this one. Right, well in theory, what should actually happen is that as you push it forward, as you pull it back, right, you have run, that's on full throttle now, or choke, that's run, and that's off. So, but I do need to get this cable sorted out somewhat better, and then what I'll do is I'll fix it down here properly with some ties so it comes down properly. At the moment that's not good. Right, just let me reattach this to the carb. So you can see that. Right, now there's a clamp here. It should sit above, like that. Okay. And we'll make sure the outer spring shroud is underneath the clamp, obviously. Okay, That shouldn't move. And I don't know if you can better see this. This should operate like so. Right. Okay. I'm about to. Now I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to give that a blow with the compressor before I do that. Dry anyway, so that's alright. No problem. Okay. Put the cap back on. And then put the pipe back on. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. That went on easy enough. Right. Ouch. Okay. Let's get the cap back on. That's it. Lovely. There's a bolt missing. You can see that right away. Okay. Right. I'm not going to put the filter back on yet. Right. And bring this over here. Right, something more on the handle. Needs definitely sorting out. But anyway, let's get the spark plug out and have a look. Because you can guarantee that's going to be in a state. Well, that was a surprise. It's a full-size spark plug. Everything now is these stupid mini plugs. I haven't done it too tight, that's alright. Not too bad. Yeah, it's a bit cracked up. So spray. A bit of a blowout. Get rid of the crack. Right. Trying to even see if there's a spark. There's the sun out. It's going to be tricky, so I think what we'll do, I'm going to clean the plug up outside as well, but for the moment, as I say, I'm trying to do the bare minimum to get this running, and then I can tell the guy whether it's worth doing or not. So Actually, I think we'll give that end of that plug a bit of a clean. Yeah, I might have to look at that spring, it's not very tight. Right, well now we've got oil in it, let's pour some fuel in and see what happens. If anything at all. Hopefully it will. This might smoke a bit because if I remember rightly I've put a bit of two-stroke in it. Not that it'll hurt it, but yeah, I think it'd be easier just pop it in there like that. Well, that helps get it in the tank. I think that'll be enough. See where we go. See how we go. Right. Oh great. We've got a slight drip on the plunger. That's it, since she'll stopped. So, it says she'll start. Get rid of any excess fuel and blowing up. Not at this early stage, anyway. Right. Okay. Well, I think what we'll do is make sure the blade is well off the ground. Oh, turn the wrong way. Okay. No, this should be a stop position it's in at the moment. I'll put it on a bit of choke. I know it's warm out and it's sort of summer, but you know what I mean. Okay. Put it in 0 so it's not driving. Christ. Alright. Bit more choke maybe. Try that. The other thing I've fitted here to make life a bit easier is I've brought the cord out to here because trying to pull it from right down there, you know what I mean, it's a bit of a joke, so I made this up, so hopefully it should be easier. Let's see how we go. Hopefully this is going to work. the drive seems to work anyway. That's all good. Okay. That sounds good. The only thing is a bit of a noise coming from the top of the flywheel there. So it sounds like something needs tightening up. So I'm going to get that off next. Right, let's see what's occurring. Had these bolts soaking overnight. I did soak them in WD before I initially started this job, because I know when these get rusty they can be a bitch. The flywheel's definitely doing something. No any problems at this stage. Now I've had to go ahead from the person who owns this mower to give it a thorough overhaul, which is what I'm going to do. I'll just move that over there. Oh right, okay. That's what's making the noise. Right. Put that in there a moment and have a closer look at what's occurring. Ouch. Okay. Well, it turns out this is literally just pressed on. Let's have a look here. What's going on? That's better. Can still move a little bit, but all it is just to stop crap getting in there. Not that it does, but well. Yeah. That's better. Oh, well, that was easy enough. Right, let's add that top back on again. Get me nuts and bolts. Or my bolts anyway. Okay. Come on. Okay. I don't need to go over the top when you're doing these things up. I need it tight enough. Wait until you feel it grip. And then just a pinch up. Shouldn't need any more than that. Simple as. Okay. Start that back in. And then we'll get on with the rest of it. Okay. Right, we're in the run position. Hopefully. I don't have any problems. Tell you one thing, this has got a hell of a lot of compression on it. And no, there isn't a brake on this. Come on. Happy indeed. Okay, well that seems to have sorted that out anyway. Right, I think the next thing is this handle, because it's jumping around somewhat. Just adjust up a little bit so you can see a bit better. Definitely. Yep, okay. I think they've got nuts and bolts in there, but they're just loose. Might need tightening up somewhat. Okay, let's find out what's going on with this wheel. Good. Cool. Jiggering around by the look of it. Right, okay. Put that on there. Right. As usual. Very craft a little bit. Yeah, that weld is, I think it's meant to be welded to that, and that's broken by the look of it. That's what it looks like to me. No doubt it's got, yeah, got a spanner on the other side. Yeah, 13mm. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's been looked after very well, this mower. I think they realised it wouldn't start. Thought, oh, I ain't got time to muck around with this. I'll just leave it. Exactly looks like what they've done. Right, what have we got here? Yeah. I'm assuming this originally was riveted by the look of it. By looking at that, this goes right through and it looks like it's been riveted. And it's come loose and now the whole thing is flopping around. So I'm going to give it a little whirl there and there, and that should sort that. Let's clear some crap off it first. Just 1 moment. Come on. On. Okay, well, I've got it sorted out. Put a new pin on there, and there it adjusts correctly. All I can do right there is that's fine. It's much better than it was. Obviously there is some slack there, but not as much as it was. Right, let's turn you over and look at the other side. Okay. Yes. Well, that was easier than a lot of them. I didn't even put in freedom fluid on that one. Very good. Yeah, also. The lock was only in the wrong place. Oh my god. Well, okay. Right. Let's get digging the crap out of there now, I suppose. clean all the rust off the blade and then sharpen it. That's the next on the agenda. And then a little bit of painting of the handle and we're done. Be right back. Okay, well the blade's back on. So paint the handle, give it a nice clean. I'll just paint the front there with some black paint and I think she's done. Sharpen the blade. So I'll just get the front bit painted and get her back on her feet and then we'll just finish the handle off. Well, we'll start her up, make sure she starts and then job done. Jobs are good, as I say. Right, well I've done the front, so I'm turning it over now.